Hello, good morning. This is Mrs. Chandana Santosh Nirali, Assistant Professor, Food Chemistry and Nutrition Department, Kekeva College of Food Technology, Saraswati Nagar Campus, Nashik. Under course title Biochemistry, course number FCN 112, credits to 1 plus 1. Today we will see regarding lipids. Definition, biological importance and classification, fats and fatty acids, introduction to compound lipids, hydrophobic and hydrophilic groups, cholesterol, bile salts, myceli, molecular leaflet are going to be covered under this topic. Any member of a large and diverse group of oils, fats, and fat like substances that occur in living organisms and that characteristically are soluble in organic solvents but only sparingly soluble in aqueous solvents. Lipids are not polymers but mostly small molecules. Chief cellular storage form of energy, role in cellular structure and biochemical function. Coming to biological importance, they are fat soluble vitamins, essential fatty acid contained in the fat of natural foods, stored in adipose tissue, act as a thermal insulator in the subcutaneous tissues and around certain organs, myelinization, electrical insulators allowing rapid propagation of depolarization waves along myelinated nerves, lipoproteins, combinations of lipid and protein important cellular constituents occurring both in the cell membrane as well as mitochondria, means of transporting lipids in the blood, obesity, diabetes mellitus, atherosclerosis, role of various polyunsaturated fatty acids in nutrition as well as health. Biological rules, they act as fuel. The reaction is shown here. Fat converted to glycerol fatty acid. That fatty acid by utilizing oxygen gives rise to carbon dioxide as well as water. Meanwhile it releases ATP, that is energy. Building blocks, they are useful as a membrane phospholipid as well as lipid bilayer, even thermal insulator. They provide a certain temperature maintenance of living bodies. Special tasks like signaling, anchor, cofactor, visual pigment, these are all because of the biological roles of lipids. Lipids bilayer plasma membrane. If you see the diagrammatic representation, outside lipid head will be there and tail will be inside because it is hydrophilic in nature, whereas head is hydrophobic in nature. Transmembranous protein will be the in between components. Coming to classification, lipids are classified as simple lipids, complex lipids, precursor and derived lipids. Simple lipids, esters of fatty acids with various alcohols, fats, esters of fatty acids with glycerol, oils or fats in the liquid state. Waxes, they are esters of fatty acids with higher molecular weight monohydric alcohols, not exactly glycerol. Okay. Fatty acids, simplest form of lipids, carboxylic acids with HC side chain, usually contain an even number of atoms, that is around 14 carbon to 20 carbon. Biosynthesis of fatty acids occurs with a sequential addition of 2 carbon atoms. Chain may be saturated, that is containing no double bonds, or unsaturated, that is containing one or more double bonds. It occurs mainly in esterified form. Fats of animal origin are more simple than that of plant origin. Palmitic acid and stearic acid are most common among simple fats. Nomenclature, named after corresponding hydrocarbons. OIC being substituted for the final E. Saturated acids end in Anoic, ANOIC. Example, octanoic acid. Unsaturated acids end with double bonds end with enoic, ENOIC. Example, octadecenoic acid, that is oleic acid. Numbered from the carboxyl carbon. Carbon number 1 will be given to the carboxyl end. Terminal methyl carbon is known as the omega or N carbon. Delta for indicating the number and position of the double bond. Omega 9 indicates a double bond on the ninth carbon counting from the omega carbon. These are the structural representation of different fatty. For example, glycerol, monoacyl glycerol. Monoacyl glycerol, there will be one acyl group will be added to first one carbon. Diacyl glycerol, triacyl glycerol. This triacyl glycerol is also known as TGs. Van der Waals model of triacyl glycerol in its form. Acyl residue will be 3 molecules of acyl residue will be added in this. Major saturated fatty acids, their common name, number of carbon atoms, and it's where it is present likewise. Acetic acid contains 2 carbon atoms, major end product of carbohydrate fermentation by rumen organisms. Propionic contains 3 carbon atoms, an end product of carbohydrate fermentation by rumen organisms again. Butyric contains 4 carbons in certain fats in small amounts, especially butter, an end product of carbohydrate fermentation by rumen organisms. Valeric, caproic also 5 and 6 respectively, carbon numbers the same. Lauric contains 12 carbons. Spermaceti, cinnamon, palm kernel, coconut oils, laurel, butter contains this lauric. Myristic 14 carbon containing nutmeg, palm kernel, coconut oils, myrtles, butter contains this. Palmitic acid 16 carbon containing. Stearic acid 18 carbon containing, common in all animal as well as plant fats, means these two are present commonly. Major unsaturated fatty acids, number of carbon atoms and number and position of double bonds, here it is represented. Family, which family it belongs, common name, systematic name, occurrence. Under that, first monoenoic acids, that is one double bond, 16:19, means 16 carbon containing one double bond at the position of ninth. Family is omega 7. Palmitoleic is the common name. Cis-9 hexadecenoic is the systematic name. In nearly all fats it is present. 18:1:9, that is 18 carbon containing one double bond at position 9. Omega 9 oleic, cis 9 octadecenoic, possibly the most common fatty acid in natural fats. 18:1:9 omega 9 allydic, trans 9 octadecenoic. The difference between these two is one will be in cis form, the second one will be the trans form. Hydrogenated and reunient fats. Next, dienoic acids, that is 2 double bonds. 18:2:9:12, that is 18 carbon containing 2 double bonds at the position of 9th carbon as well as 12th carbon. Omega 6 linoleic, all cis 9:12 dienoic acid. Corn, peanut, cottonseed, soybean and many plant oils. Trienoic acids, that is 3 double bonds. 18:3 6 9 12, at the position of 6th carbon, 9th carbon and 12th carbon there are double bonds. omega 6 delta linolenic. All 6 all cis 6 9 12 octadecatrienoic. Some plants, example oil of every evening primrose, borage oil, minor fatty acids in animals. 18 is to 3, 9, 12, 15, omega 3, alpha linolenic, all 6, 9, 12, 15, octa decatrienoic, frequently found in linoleic acid but particularly in linseed oil. Tetraenoic acids, that is 4 double bonds, 20 is to 4, 5, 8, 11, 12, 20 carbon containing 4 double bonds at the position of 5th, 8th, 11th and 14th carbon. Omega 6 family, arachidonic is the common name. All 6, 5, 8, 11, 14 icosa tetraenoic, found in animal fats and in peanut oil. Important component of phospholipids in animals. Pentaenoic acid contains 5 double bonds, 20 is to 5, 5, 8, 11, 12, 14th and 17th carbons, the double bond will be present. Omega 3 is the family, timnodonic is the common name. All 6, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17 icosa pentaenoic acid. Important component of fish oils, example cod liver, mackerel, menhaden, salmon oils. Lastly, hexaenoic acid, that is 6 double bonds, 22 is to 6, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19, omega 3, cervonic. All 6, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19, docosa hexaenoic acid, fish oils, phospholipids in brain. Unsaturated fatty acids. Fatty acids may be further subdivided as monounsaturated. Monoethanoid, monoenoic acid containing 1 double bond, polyunsaturated, polyethanoid, polyenoic acids containing 2 or more double bonds. Icosanoids, these compounds derived from icosa 20 carbon. Polyenoic fatty acids comprise the prostanoids, leukotrienes and lipoxins. Prostanoids include prostaglandins, prostacyclins and thromboxanes. Essential fatty acid. The fatty acid can't be synthesized by the body and therefore has to be supplied in the diet. Example, linoleic acid, linolenic acid, arachidonic acid becomes essential precursor. Linoleic acid is not provided in the diet. Functions of essential fatty acids: membrane structures and functions, transport of cholesterol, formation of lipoprotein, prevention of fatty liver. Deficiency of essential fatty acids leads to phrenoderma, that is toad skin. Triacylglycerols, also known as triglycerides, TGs, mean storage of fatty acid, esters of the trihydric alcohol, glycerol and fatty acids. Phosphorylated on SN3 by glycerol kinase to give glycerol 3 phosphate and not glycerol 1 phosphate. Complex lipids, it contains groups in addition to an alcohol and a fatty acid. Phospholipids, in addition to fatty acids, phospholipid contains an alcohol, a phosphoric acid residue, may have nitrogen containing bases and other substituents. Example, glycerophospholipids, the alcohol is glycerol and in sphingolipids the alcohol is sphingosine. Glycolipids, glycosphingolipids, lipids containing a fatty acid, sphingosine and carbohydrate. Other complex lipids, lipids such as sulfolipids and amylolipids, example lipoproteins. This is the structure of phospholipids. Phosphatide or phosphatidylcholine lecithin is the thing which is reason for phospholipids. Glycerophospholipids, also called phosphoglycerides, membrane lipids in which two fatty acids are attached in ester linkage to the first and second carbons of glycerol. A highly polar or charged group is attached through a phosphodiester linkage to the third carbon. Saturated fatty acids, example palmitic acid, unsaturated fatty acid, example oleic acid, are attached here to the glycerophospholipid general structure. Glycerophospholipids, glycerol is a prochiral, that is no asymmetric carbons, but attachment of phosphate at one end converts it into a chiral compound. Various important types of glycerophospholipids includes phosphatidic acid, lecithin, cephalin, phosphatidyl inositol, phosphatidyl serine, plasmalogens, cardiolipin. Phosphatidylcholines. They are also known as lecithins, present in phospholipids of the cell membrane. Choline, part of neurotransmitter component of lecithin. Dipalmitoyl lecithin is a very effective surface active agent, major constituent of the surfactant. Absence premature infants causes respiratory distress syndrome. Phosphatidyl inositol, precursor of second messengers, phosphatidyl inositol 4,5 bisphosphate, constituent of cell membrane phospholipids. Upon stimulation by a suitable hormone agonist, cleaved into diacylglycerol and inositol triphosphate. Function of phospholipids, component of cell membrane, both structural and regulatory functions. Phospholipid in mitochondria, lecithin, cephalin, and cardiolipin maintains electron transport chain. Absorption of fat, transport of lipids, arachidonic acid serves as a precursor of various icosanoids. Cephalin, blood clotting. Sphingolipids found in large quantities in brain and nerve tissue. Fatty acid, phosphoric acid, choline, and a complex amino alcohol, that is sphingosine. No glycerol is present. The combination of sphingosine plus fatty acid is known as ceramide, found in glycosphingolipids. This is the structure of sphingolipids. Ceramide is the total component. This is the sphingosine portion. Sphingosine plus fatty acid together form ceramide. And this phosphoric acid, choline are attached. These are the structures of phospholipids: choline, serine, ethanolamine, myoinositol, sphingomyelins, to which these are attached. Glycolipids, widely distributed in every tissue of the body, particularly in nervous tissue such as brain, our outer leaflet of the plasma membrane, where they contribute to cell surface carbohydrates, example glycosphingolipids. Ceramide and one or more sugars, galactosyl ceramide, gangliosides. Lipoproteins, complexes of lipid with protein, transport vehicle for lipid, 5 types. Chylomicrons, very low density lipoprotein, VLDL, low density lipoprotein LDL, high density lipoprotein HDL. Free fatty acid complexes. Precursor and derived lipids. These include fatty acids, glycerol, steroids, other alcohols, fatty aldehydes, and ketone bodies, hydrocarbons, lipid soluble vitamins, and hormones. Steroids, compound containing cyclic steroid nucleus, phenanthrene nucleus A, B, C, cyclopentane ring D, several steroids in biological systems, cholesterol, bile acids, vitamin D, sex hormone, adrenocortical hormones, cardiac glycosides, alkaloids. Cholesterol, best known steroid association with atherosclerosis, precursor of large number of equally important steroids like bile acids, adrenocortical hormones, sex hormones, D vitamins, that is ergosterol, cardiac glycosides. Cholesterol properties includes yellowish crystalline solid in nature, insoluble in water and soluble in organic solvent. Function, present in nervous tissues, insulating cover biochemical function, precursor for many biochemical substances and component of cell membrane. Bile acids synthesized from the cholesterol in the liver. It keep bile cholesterol in a soluble state as micelles and promote the digestion of lipids in the intestine. Primary bile acids cholic acid and chenodeoxycholic acid. Secondary bile acids are lithocholic acid and deoxycholic acid. These are the bile acid structural representation. Micelle lipids are insoluble in water. Predominance of nonpolar, that is hydrocarbon groups. Fatty acids, phospholipids, sphingolipids, bile salts, and to a lesser extent cholesterol contain polar group, that is both polar and nonpolar group. Such molecules are described as amphipathic in nature. Amphipathic means which contains both polar as well as nonpolar groups at a time. This is the lipid bilayer formed due to nonpolar nonpolar at the center and aqueous phase outside the. It forms lipid bilayer. Micelle, they become oriented at oil. Water interfaces with the polar group in the water phase and the nonpolar group in the oil phase. Basic structure in biological membranes. When a critical concentration of these lipids is present in an aqueous medium, they form micelles. Micelle further forms liposomes. It can be used for drug delivery. Emulsion ointments, cancer therapy, targeted drug delivery. These are the books referred for covering the topic. Color Atlas of Biochemistry 2005, Harper's Biochemistry 26th edition, Leninger Principles of Biochemistry 4th edition, David L. Nelson, Michael M. Cox, Biochemistry U. Satyanarayana, U. Chakrapani. Thank you. Thank you very much for patience listening.